now to the embryology facts mentioned in the Quran. Embryology is the science which deals with the development of the baby inside the mother's stomach. This science greatly developed after the 1960s. But what does the Quran have to say about embryology 1400 years ago? Quran tells us, خَلَقَ الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ عَلَقٍ, created man from a clinging substance. What is this clinging substance? For the first 40 days, the baby inside the mother's stomach is like a worm, it's like a leech, stuck to the mother's stomach, sucking out all the food, the water, nutrition, etc. That's the very clinging substance mentioned in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago as alaq. The Quran goes on to tell us, after alaq, we make you into a mugda, a piece of flesh. Then comes the stage of the idama. In that stage, we develop the muscles and the bones. All these three stages are mentioned in the Holy Quran, step by step, stage by stage, 1400 years ago. The Quran goes on to tell, He creates you in the wombs of your mothers, creation after creation, step by step, stage by stage, within three darknesses. What are these three darknesses? These three darknesses are the three protective membranes around the baby inside the mother's stomach. These three membranes are the anterior abdominal wall, the uterine wall, and the amniochorionic membrane. These three membranes protect the baby inside the mother's stomach against physical jerks. When the mother gets up, walks around, sits, sleeps, etc., these are the membranes which protect the baby inside the mother's stomach. These are the very three membranes which are spoken about in the Holy Quran as three darknesses 1400 years ago. But modern science had to wait right up to the age of 1960. The professor by name Professor Keith Moore, he is the HOD of Medicine, University of Toronto, Canada. He used modern science to discover all this using advanced technology like ultrasound scanning, electron microscope, etc. But we told him, you are discovering all this in 1960. But we came to know about this in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. He said, Acha, show me the Quran. We presented him the Quran. He went through all these facts and came out with a statement. He said, it is impossible for any human being 1400 years ago to tell us about the developing human in such detail with such accuracy. Just imagine the age 1400 years ago. Forget the microscope and scanning. The handheld lens was not yet invented. This is indeed a miracle of the Quran.